Let's get right into it. Number 10. Dish soap as laundry pre-treater. That $15 bottle of stain remover? You've been scammed. A single drop of regular dish soap does the same job, and often, it does it better. Dish soap was engineered with powerful surfactants to destroy grease on your plates. These molecules have a water-loving head and an oil-loving tail. The tails grab onto grease, surrounding it and lifting it from the fabric so water can wash it away. Most common laundry stains, salad dressing, pizza grease, even ring around the collar, are the same oily enemy. Specialty removers are just dish soap in a tuxedo, charging you triple for a fancy bottle. Put one single drop directly on the stain, rub it in gently, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before washing. One drop. Using more is a mistake. Excessive suds can cushion clothes, preventing a proper clean, or even damage a high-efficiency machine. A $2 bottle of dish soap will last for hundreds of stains. It's the unsung hero of the laundry room, waiting to save your favorite shirt for pennies. Number 9. A simple hand crank can opener. Electric can openers are expensive, bulky, and loud. They have one job and still fail spectacularly. The motor burns out, the gears strip, or the blade gets dull and gunky, leaving you defeated by a $40 appliance. A basic hand crank opener costs $2. An electric opener has over 30 moving parts. A hand crank has 4. More parts mean more points of failure. NASA follows a principle called simplexity. The simplest design that works is best because it has fewer parts that can break. Your $2 opener follows NASA's core design philosophy. The mechanism is simple. One wheel turns the can, while a cutting wheel slices the lid. In consumer tests, basic hand crank models consistently outperform electric ones on speed, reliability, and cut quality. One expensive electric model finished last because its magnet kept slipping, creating a dangerous partially opened lid. The hand crank also works during a power outage, when your electric opener is just a useless brick. It's a perfect tool that will likely outlive the person who bought it. Number 8. Binder clips. These 10-cent metal contraptions will destroy any premium $40 organization system. They are a masterclass in simple, effective design. The entire chip clip product category is just a binder clip with a 900% markup. The binder clip, made of strong spring steel, clamps down with immense force, creating a near airtight seal that keeps snacks far crunchier for longer. A plastic chip clip gets weak, a binder clip does not. Tech companies sell $30 cable management systems that are just glorified plastic channels. A row of binder clips on the back of your desk does the same thing, but better. Clip them on and thread your USB, power, and audio cables through the silver wire arms. They hold every cable perfectly in place. Flip one of the wire arms around, and it becomes a perfect, stable phone stand. People sell this exact concept on Amazon for $12, calling it a minimalist desk accessory. It's a binder clip. You can also use it as a money clip, to hold a cookbook open, or to seal freezer bags. It's the ultimate life hack, hiding in the office supply aisle. Number 7. Duct tape. That $5 roll of gray tape has saved more projects, trips, and even lives than any expensive specialty product. During the Apollo 17 mission, NASA astronauts used it to repair a broken fender on the lunar rover, preventing moon dust from overheating the vehicle. Their multi-million-dollar backup plan was a simple roll of tape. Hardware stores sell an entire wall of premium repair tapes for $40 a roll. They're just duct tape that went to business school, designed for one specific task. Duct tape's genius is its versatility. Its 3-layer construction, a water-resistant top, a fabric mesh middle for strength, and a powerful adhesive bottom makes it king. It sticks to almost anything, is waterproof enough for most jobs, and still turds by hand. The Apollo 13 crew famously used it to build a CO2 filter that kept 3 astronauts alive. A man in Canada even built a working canoe from it. Doctors have even studied it as a wart treatment. A study in the archives of pediatrics and adolescent medicine found it worked better than cryotherapy. The expensive tapes look impressive, but when a pipe bursts at 2 a.m., you'll reach for the duct tape. Number 6. A Simple Broom. Robot vacuums cost up to $1,500 for a machine that gets hopelessly stuck on a sock, tangled in a phone charger, or defeated by a rug. A decent broom and dustpan cost $15. A broom doesn't need charging, a Wi-Fi connection, or a smartphone app. It never gets confused by dark rugs, falls downstairs, or fails to clean corners because you have a brain. You get direct sensory feedback, feeling the grit on the floor and knowing when the job is done. A robot vacuum is just guessing. Worse, some robot vacuum companies have been caught in reports discussing plans to sell the detailed floor maps of your home to third-party advertisers. A broom will never sell your data, and you have to clean the cleaning robot. You have to untangle hair from its rollers and empty its tiny bin. They claim it cleans while you're away, but that's how it finds the one thing you don't want it to find, spreads it across your kitchen, and dies in the living room. A broom does exactly what you tell it to. It's a perfect, reliable tool. Number 5. Cheap foam earplugs. Foam earplugs cost about 10 cents a pair. Premium noise-canceling earbuds cost $300. The secret? The foam earplugs block more noise. Foam earplugs use simple physics. You compress them, insert, and they expand to create a near-perfect physical seal in your ear canal. This is passive noise isolation. Noise-canceling tech is active. It uses a microphone to listen to outside sound and a speaker to create an opposite sound wave to cancel it out. This complex process only works well on steady, low-frequency sounds like an airplane engine or an AC hum. It struggles with sudden, irregular sounds like a barking dog or human speech. Foam blocks everything equally. Foam earplugs can reduce noise by up to 33 decibels, the highest noise reduction rating possible. Most high-end noise-canceling earbuds only achieve 20 to 25 decibels of total reduction. You're paying $300 for objectively worse performance in pure silence. Foam earplugs don't need charging or Bluetooth. You can sleep on your side with them. Lose one and you feel nothing. It costs 10 cents. Lose one noise-canceling earbud and you're having a small, $150 funeral. For pure, uninterrupted silence, the 10-cent foam cylinder wins every time. Number 4. Cheap kitchen knives. Professional chefs have a dirty secret. The knife they use for 90% of their work isn't a $400 hand-forged Japanese blade. It's a $40 Victorinox Fibrox. The Victorinox has been the workhorse of professional kitchens for decades. Restaurant kitchens are brutal environments. Knives get dropped, slammed on counters, and abused. No one is babying a $400 knife in that environment. The Victorinox is designed for it. Its blade uses a softer European steel that is incredibly durable and resists chipping if you hit a bone. Expensive Japanese knives use very hard, brittle steel that holds a razor edge but can chip like glass. The Victorinox's patented Fibrox handle is a grippy thermoplastic that stays secure in your hand even when wet or greasy, a critical safety feature. When the blade eventually gets worn down after years of abuse, you can sharpen it easily or just replace it without crying. Gordon Ramsay's cooking schools use them. The Culinary Institute of America recommends them. The people who actually cut for a living, 10 hours a day, choose the $40 knife. The $400 knife is for people who want to look like they cut for a living. Number 3. Tap water. Bottled water is one of history's greatest marketing scams, convincing you to buy something your government already provides, but more expensive and less regulated. In the United States, tap water is regulated by the EPA, which mandates rigorous, constant testing, sometimes hundreds of times a month, with public results. Bottled water is regulated by the FDA, which has less stringent testing requirements and inspects bottling plants far less frequently. Your tap water is often held to a stricter safety standard than the bottle you're paying a premium for. The punchline? About 25% of all bottled water is just filtered municipal tap water. Pepsi's Aquafina and Coca-Cola's Dasani are famous examples. They take city water, run it through a filter, and sell it back to you at 2,000 times the cost. If gasoline were priced like bottled water, a single gallon would cost over $10,000. On top of the financial cost, there's the environmental cost of manufacturing and shipping billions of plastic bottles, and the fact that plastic can leach microplastics into the water. You're paying more for less regulated water in a chemical leaching container. A great deal for them. Number 2. Vaseline. Dermatologists have said it for decades, but the $100 billion skincare industry is very good at drowning them out. Plain old Vaseline works better than face creams costing 50 times more. It's not a budget alternative. It's a superior product. Your skin doesn't need moisture added to it. It needs to keep the moisture it already has. Vaseline is the best substance ever discovered for this. It is an occlusive, meaning it forms a perfect, inert, water-repelling seal on your skin. Nothing gets out. This allows your skin to heal and hydrate itself from within. Now flip over a $200 jar of luxury cream. The first ingredient is water. The rest is a long list of fillers, emulsifiers, and a tiny amount of some exotic extract to justify the insane price. Most of what you're applying just evaporates. Dermatologists call petroleum jelly the gold standard for skin barrier repair. Not the budget option, the gold standard. It's so pure and non-reactive that hospitals use it on post-operative wounds and burn patients. It's also non-comedogenic, meaning it does not clog pores. The luxury skincare industry sells you a beautiful jar, a French name, and a feeling, not better results. Use a thin layer of Vaseline on a clean, damp face at night, a technique called slugging, and you'll wake up with skin that looks like you spent $100 for about 3 cents. Number 1. Cheap watches. The Casio F91W costs about $20. It's been worn by presidents, tech billionaires, and soldiers, and it keeps better time than a $50,000 Rolex, not by a small margin, but by orders of magnitude. The difference is the mechanism. A mechanical watch, like a Rolex, is a tiny engine of springs and gears. It's a marvel of craftsmanship, but it's susceptible to gravity, temperature, and shock. A well-maintained Rolex can lose 5 to 10 seconds a day. After a year, it could be off by an hour. The $20 Casio is a quartz watch. Its battery sends a current to a tiny quartz crystal, causing it to vibrate at exactly 32,768 times per second. A simple circuit counts these vibrations to advance the time with near-perfect accuracy, losing maybe 1 second a day, max. The Casio's battery lasts for 7 years. A mechanical watch needs a full service every 5 to 10 years, that can cost $500 to $1,000, more than 25 Casios, just to maintain a less accurate timepiece. The Casio is also more durable, more water-resistant, and has a stopwatch, an alarm, and a backlight. Jeff Bezos has been photographed wearing one. Astronauts took it to space. It became so popular with insurgents for its reliability as a timer that the CIA once flagged ownership of the $20 watch as a potential security risk. When you buy a $50,000 watch, you're not paying for accuracy. You're paying for art, craftsmanship, history, and for tiny gears assembled by a Swiss guy named Hans. But if your goal is simply to know what time it is, the $20 Casio will tell you more accurately than Hans ever could. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.